All right, folks, we're finally back. It's been a long 5 months, but we're here. Few health issues and holidays and such, but we are back. Hopefully for a while here we can make a few videos. Still working on the 93 Toyota Hilux pickup, 4-wheel drive, 3-point slow, V6. Today, hopefully start tearing her down. Get all the little bells, whistles, distributor, alternator off first, then tear the motor down itself. I know for a fact the last owner said it had I believe the rear main seal is leaking. So go from there. I don't think it's going to be too terribly difficult, but we'll see. Working in about the smallest garage possible here. Bear with me. We'll do a few clips. I'll kind of explain what I'm doing as we go, but thanks for everyone that's following along. Those 3 subscribers, let's get that up to 4. So if you like kind of that intro I make and then follow along and see where this goes, definitely subscribe. All right, let's do it. Definitely going to need new spark plug wires. These things have seen their time. Ugh. First time I've actually done anything like this, so I don't always know what I'm doing, but I do know staying organized helps. That is for sure. You know it's a good sign when you find your second or third zip tie on the project with a little electrical tape on a wire that supplies a little spark to the engine. So that'll definitely need doctored up a bit, but you do what you do in the time of need. All right, little update here. Got that distributor off, alternator, and then there's this little rig on the back. It looks like I assume it runs some type of vacuum. I'm guessing. I'm not really sure. If anybody knows, feel free to comment. I don't know exactly what it does, but we got a little hose there and a little fuel line thing here and a little electric plug-in rig on each side. So yeah, got that off. Let's move on to let's try to get this fan out of the way. This cover off. This will should expose the timing belt. And we'll just keep plugging away at her. Really hope I would have picked up some PB, that brake clean, but we'll make do. Too big. Oh, come on. Ow! Yeah. Now, should just be able to. Whoop. There she is. Why did you? You should just screw right back in there. Very nicely. Maybe that quick hard blow. And that's how you break a wrench. Well, probably should have left a little fluid in her. But that's fine. We'll clean that out real nice. Just that is fantastic. Keep her going here. Like I said, try to get this cover off. Should expose the belts, and we'll just keep tearing her apart until there's nothing left on the stand. Okay. I think I'm gonna need some PB here. That right there. That's just looking for trouble. Taking that thing off without snapping it. Well, we can keep going. We're making a little progress here for sure. I think I talked in earlier videos 5 months ago that there's the exhaust, whatever you call it, little crossover pipe there that sits up against the firewall on the pickup. Well, it gets so hot that it heats up the back of this head a lot faster than the front does, especially going down the road when you got that cool air moving over the front, and that's how she breaks or leaks, which this one definitely has a head gasket out for sure. Well, let's start at the top maybe. I don't know. I'm not ready to dive into that yet. Not sure how this thing is timed, and messing with that prematurely might make her kaput before we even get her going. So I suppose we get that starter off. Let's start there. No pun intended. Yeah. Well, that went quicker than expected. Evidently, earlier on I tore it apart. This is going to be a lot of fun putting it back together. so. Get in there. Get in there. Okay, let's put you guys in time lapse. Crazy little angle here. We'll continue with the crossover exhaust and the manifold on that side. Neato. Well, that's a PB job for sure. Oh, gonna need a little PB blaster. That and that guy and that one I about stripped off. No way, no way. So let's keep attacking this side. Let me see if we can get these fuel rails popped off here. Ah, it's kind of nice that everything is, typically they've been using a couple different sizes is all. 10, 14, about it. Smart. Smart. Oh, these are all two-hand slammers. Jeez. God, why you always gotta be so tight? Oh no. Nikes. A little more pry in your life, maybe? Ah, yeah. Slice my wrist open, but yeah. Whew. That guy almost went somewhere I did not want to go. I have the old universal pickle fork here. Lot of noises popping off fuel lines. Makes you a little nervous. Got it. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere. About have, except for that guy, all the goodies off the exterior here. A couple brackets. That's about it. Main little radiator hose there coming off the pump. Yeah, Now we're getting somewhere. So, I might call this one a short little end today. We can keep plugging away. Hopefully next week. Definitely, like I said, guys, like, subscribe, share the video. Let's continue the journey together. It's gonna be a lot of fun getting into it and figuring out where all this goes in the end. So keep on keeping on. Until next time, hopefully get one up for you guys next week. Thanks again. Later.